What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my wash day routine, but the wash day routine I used to use on my big hair when your girl used to have hair. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I just came from the gym. Last night I had put these little twists in my head because I was gonna wash my hair today, and I kind of just wanted to show you guys my wash routine, and I kind of wanted to attempt to try the wash routine I used to do when I had my big hair. If you are OG subscriber, then you know that routine consists of with my big hair. When I do my go-to hairstyle, I don't get to see all of this hair because it's in coils. If you've never seen my wash day routine for my short hair, make sure you guys go check that out. So this is what we're working with. So the first thing I always do on a wash day is wet my hair. I wet my hair because it just makes it easier for me to finger detangle and to get rid of any product, maybe any sweat that I got sitting on top of my scalp. All that gel on my edges, just rub it off and rinse it off with the water. Next, I follow up by adding some conditioner to my hair, and I use the conditioner so that it can be easier for me to detangle. As you guys can see, I like to use my hands to detangle my hair because I like to feel what I'm pulling on or whatever comes out. As you guys can see, I prevent a lot of shedding by just using my hands, and this is what my hair looks like after I rinse it out. So next I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair shampoo, my ultimate favorite, and I'm just going to massage my scalp. Just use the palms of my fingers and just get it all up in there. Y'all, so we got us a clean scalp. You see the curls are definitely popping just from shampooing. So now we're going to deep condition with this concoction that I mixed up with my Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I love this stuff, and I'm just going to apply it all over my hair, and once I'm done applying it, I'm just going to let it sit in my hair for 25 minutes with a plastic cap on top. And for my hair to actually feel like the deep conditioner is in there, I actually do add a little bit of water so that I can evenly distribute it, and so that them curls are like extremely moisturized. Once the 25 minutes are up, I go ahead and take the plastic cap off, and this is what my hair looks like once I take them out. These flat twists that I did, like my hair looks extremely hydrated. You know, that's really what you want, and just moisturize. So then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and rinse it out. I don't follow up conditioning after this because I kind of find it like irrelevant to do that since I deep conditioned. Alright, y'all, so fresh out the shower, done with the little voiceover, whatever. So this is my hair fresh out, washed. Look at that scalp, healthy scalp, healthy hair growth or whatnot. So these are the products I'm going to be using. They're all by Aunt Jackie's. Like I said, if you're an OG subscriber, you know I love Aunt Jackie's, and I've been using them for a while. So I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy, Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curling Cream, Defining Curl Custard. Okay, I'm gonna be using that. And I don't usually use gel in my wash and goes anymore, but I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Elongating Gel. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm kind of excited to use it. I'm just gonna start off by going in with my Not On My Watch. now the Curl La Define Curling Custard. Don't mind me, I be tripping sometimes. But do y'all see these curls? Cause I don't think y'all understand. And then now I'm gonna be using the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curly Gel. Dang, that's what I was about to say. Give my hair a little shake. All right, y'all, so now the moment of truth. For those of you that don't know, if you're new to my channel, you watching my wash day routine right now. Well, I used to use a blow dryer to make my hair really big when I have big hair. And I put it like on medium to low heat and like a very light speed. And then towards the end, when I see my hair is like drying completely or almost dry, I pick up the speed, still on the same temperature, and I just pick up the speed and I go in circular motions. All right, so my hair right now is not 100% dry, but my curls feel like mad soft. So now I'm going to turn up the speed because I like to get it big. So we're gonna try to get it like as big as it can be, like, okay? So without messing up the curls. And we're gonna just turn up the speed. So this is my hair, like 100% dry. It literally only took me like 10 to 15 minutes to dry. That's what it looks like in the back. And like this is the side, and then like look at my curls, like they look absolutely amazing. I didn't think it was gonna turn out like this. Like I always do finger coils in my hair, and like and it creates like a whole bunch of shrinkage, but I never see my curls all the way out like this since I big chop. So I think I'm gonna go back to my old wash routine, or maybe like kind of like every other 2 weeks use this method, or every 3 weeks use this method, just so I don't use the blow dryer as much, because I feel like when I do the finger coils, I'm preserving my, like, you know, I'm retaining my length and I don't touch my hair as much. Let me go ahead and do my edges and put some lashes because I look crazy. So I'm gonna be right back. All right, y'all, so I done put some hoop earrings on, I done put my lashes on, okay? So I did my edges and everything, but I didn't pick my hair yet because typically in my old routine, I always picked my hair. So I wanted to show you guys me picking my hair. Kind of just trying to like maximize on that volume and get that shape going on. Get some volume back here. Y'all embrace y'all hair at every stage. But yeah, this wash and go routine is like bringing back so many memories. When I was in college, I was transitioning and I did a mini big chop and my hair was growing. It was way bigger than this when it got healthy. I even have videos on Snapchat where my hair looked similar to this. So this gets me really excited for my hair growth journey. Like, definitely gonna keep continuing taking care of my hair, because sometimes you can get discouraged and think your hair isn't growing. So nah, this hair is definitely growing. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And until next time, peace.